Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at imagejewellery.com, an online store that claims to sell handcrafted jewelry like rings, earrings, and necklaces. Because nothing screams unique craftsmanship like a website that looks like it was assembled in a dark alley at 2 a.m. Many people are asking if this place is actually legit or just another digital trap. So let's dive into the mess. First off, we checked the website's registration and found it was registered in November 2025. Apparently, they're operating from the future, which is a bold business strategy for a company that hasn't even established a past yet. Being this incredibly new is a massive red flag, as they have absolutely no track record or history of actually delivering anything to anyone. Then there are the product images, which seem to be borrowed from various corners of the internet. Real brands usually hire a photographer, but I guess Image Jewellery prefers the save image as method of inventory management. When the photos are duplicated like this, the odds of your order actually matching the picture are about as high as winning the lottery without buying a ticket. If that wasn't enough, the site claims to offer discounts of up to 80%. Because clearly, giving away your handcrafted inventory for next to nothing is a sustainable business model and definitely not a desperate attempt to lure in gullible shoppers. If a deal looks this good, the product you receive will likely be made of the finest recycled soda cans. As for customer support, they provide a physical address and an email, but the address appears to be a copy-paste job from elsewhere online. It's always comforting to know that if your order goes missing, you can send a complaint to a building that has no idea this company exists. Finally, we checked Trustpilot and found exactly 0 reviews. It's as quiet as a graveyard over there, with absolutely no feedback from actual human beings. So is imagejewellery.com legit? Between the time-traveling registration, stolen photos, suspicious discounts, and fake contact info, it's a hard pass. I wouldn't trust them with a nickel, let alone my credit card details. Thanks for sticking around until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates and reality checks.